About this item: power delivery fast charge compatibility. The USB-C to Lightning cables support power delivery fast charging for iPhone 14, 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, SE, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 8, 8 Plus and iPad AirPods Pro 8th/2020 Pro 12.9 Gen 1/Gen 2 Pro 10.5 Air 3 10.5, Mini 5 7.9 and other later models. When using your USB-C PD charger, note you need to use 20W or above USB-C power adapter to achieve power delivery fast charge. MFI certified line cable RC Tech USB-C to Lightning cables have completed MFI certification requirements, which can be found on the official site of MFI certified. These iPhone fast charger cables use the newest C94 Lightning end design for fast charging, which can safely and quickly charge your iPhone/iPad device. Super durability and flexibility. The iPhone charging cable